Hello everyone, welcome back to Pilipinas Simple Life in America. So today, we'll continue harvesting. I'm going to harvest the lettuce, but for me, it tastes like mustard. So we'll see, but it's good. Goodness guys, look. I can't eat all of this. It's really good if you have like this time of year, guys. There's a lot of produce that I planted, and then I'm crazy, and then because it's just me, so I can't finish all of them. The other day I have to beg on my friends that please take my vegetables. Isn't that crazy? But this is my happiness. I enjoy doing the garden and planting all these vegetables. So I have to, uh, I mean, it is what it is. I'm glad that it took it. Otherwise, it's gonna spoil, or I put it back in the ground. This one, guys, is a native spinach. I like it. I like this one. I eat it. We call this kulitis in my language. And also, I'm going to harvest the water spinach. So this is our harvest for today, and thank you very much guys for watching. Thank you so much. Take care. Love you all. Boom.